Alright, so I just really wanted to show you guys how to sell a stock on Robinhood. If you don't already, it's very simple. You probably know how. But as I was doing the video, it didn't have sound, so we're going to redo it. I already sold the stock I was going to sell. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to kind of walk you through it without actually selling it. But I already sold it, so you'll see my profit here. So we're going to go to... like if you already had your stock, you would just go here. Let's say we wanted to sell our 3M stock. You go trade and you click sell, and then you click the amount you want. One, review, and they'd sell it for you. Already did. I sold my Delta Airline stock, and as you see, it's at, oh, and it froze. Nice. All right, everything must have froze. There it is. Come back. We're back. So you'll see my history. What I bought it on October 24th for $53.77. I sold it for $58.24. Right now it's already down to 57. So the RSI was almost to 70. So I decided that I actually got lucky and just looked at this stock. I didn't have an alert on it. I don't know why, but I didn't. So that's about a 5% gain. It was almost $5, so for me that's pretty good. I don't do very many stock trades and stuff, but I also wanted to show you this other app I had. It's called let's see if I can go back without doing that. So it's called Market Watch. Market Watch is free. You just search your stock, and once you search what stock you are looking into, you click advanced charts, and you can add different sort of tickers, and my favorite one is RSI, Relative Strength Index. That's the only thing I really look at. Now, I do look at my simple moving averages and the amount of dividends and things, but let's do the 3-month range so you can kind of get closer, and you can see that here it's at 67. Whenever I sold it, it was at 69 RSI. You're looking for a 70. I was wanting this stock to hit $60, but it hit this 70 RSI at $58 with a 5% return. I'm very happy with that. So we'll just go back to Robinhood, and you'll see where you got. But if you were, I don't have any more stocks, but that's kind of how I trade my stocks. I wish I would have traded this one the other day. It was I'm down 16 cents, but it was up about 5%. It was about a $5. I bought this stock, for the year it's not doing good, but let's see, I bought this stock. I don't know if it's going to show you, but it's been pretty steady in the 50s, but it's been kind of going down. And right around here in July, it went from 50s right here. In May-ish area, went down from 60 way down. Took a big drop. RSI went real low. I bought it at what did I buy it at? $40 even back in July. Yeah, so that's right around here. So right around here it hit boom, rock bottom, and it's been coming up. And the other day you'll see that if I can get my finger over here, it was up to about $45. Should have been about a 5-6% return, whatever, and $5. So I think it'll go back up. It hit down again. Their earnings kind of screwed them this week, but I think we'll hit back up, and I'll probably sell. I wanted to sell about 60, but I don't think it's gonna get there. But yeah, so I got a few different stocks. I usually like to go up 5%. I got some stocks I bought really way too high on accident, and I'm paying for it right now because they're not going up like I want them to. Like Gap, I bought Gap. It's at $18. I bought it, a couple shares at 19, and a couple shares at 4 or 5 shares, 6 shares, 19 plus. Only 1 or 2 shares right now I bought at 17. So my total return on Gap isn't very good right now. I was really hoping for it to go up back around the $20-$25 range. And based off the 5-year outlook, it looks like it potentially might. 2016 it did this same thing, went up, down, had a big low ball, went way down in April. So I'm hoping by the end of the year it'll go up. I'll be able to sell for a good 5 to 10% return. And in all, I'm investing, got 14, for all time I'm up 1.3%. Not very good, but it's better if all my stocks go up. I should be up 10 to 20%. I know it's a very big range, but 10 to 20% I should be up if every one of my stocks go up to where I want them to go. And that can or cannot happen. The last 3 months up 4%. The last month I've been doing really good. I'm up 9.5%. That's pretty good, I feel like. But all the time I would like that number to be about 8 to 20. 10 to 20% would be wonderful. So I'll keep updates. Hopefully my next sale I'll actually have the audio on to where I can show you guys actually how to sell it. But if you look at the beginnings of the video, you'll kind of see. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. And also at the bottom of this video, if you stuck around this long, you'll see that there is going to be a link where you can get a free stock if you haven't already downloaded Robinhood. So just check that out and let me know how you think. If you are going to download Robinhood, please find someone, at least if it's not me, someone who has the free stock app so you can use, and so you get that free stock, because if you don't, then you're just missing out on a potential $500 free stock. So enjoy.